Lyons of Pennagraig Junior School may look small, but she makes a big difference. She has worked really hard to keep the Eco Council on task and has started up the school's Eco Rangers scheme. She leads the Eco Rangers in making sure that every room in the school is as environmentally friendly as possible by turning off the lights, turning off taps, making sure the heating is off when it's not needed, and making sure all the paper is in the correct recycling bin. There's even a box in one of the classrooms where fellow pupils can make comments and suggestions on the work the Eco Rangers are doing or what they would like to see them do. Bethany has also set up a school book recycling scheme where children can bring in a book to swap, saving more trees and encouraging children to read, all at the same time.